All right, guys, welcome to a pre-market analysis. Didn't trade today. It's a bit busy. I tried to, but price didn't even get close to my areas. So yeah, I don't know. Still haven't figured out why I'm yawning. Actually, it might never go away. Let's dive into the charts. So it's recording. Yep. As I said, today's the daily recap. Did I say pre-market analysis? It's a daily recap of 19 October, Thursday. And first thing we can see is that we realigned, but let's dive into it this morning. There's a treat little area from here. Just gonna, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Literally, my mate told me like, bro, you need to rest. I said, yeah, I know. I know. I know, but I don't want to rest. So I'm gonna try. So we got a high, a low, lower high, lower low. So this is internal to this structure. It's actually internal to the purple one, and we didn't even achieve a premium pricing. So that will be not really an area I look to short from. That's why I didn't look to trade from here. Could be valid. Asia highs taken. Looking for low lows based on this high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, potential lower low. Internal range liquidity taken. Then you can zoom in. And what can we see? Early sellers are over there. So you got this one. It's actually equals, not really early sellers. Could class as maybe as early sellers, but it's equals. This is really the low that led to that high. So if anything, not really any early sellers. You could say this could be your early sellers, but that would be too far. That's too big of a move. So not really the cleanest early sellers here. Not really a clean inducement. If you class it, what we can check, by the way, is if we have it on any other feed. Let me put the crypto away and see if we got anything here. Oops, it's a bit too much. So here didn't even break below there. So let's just not class as early seller. So there were whoa, sorry. There wasn't any trade for me. If you don't use early sellers, you have a low, a high, higher low, a high, high bearish break. Then you have your entry here. And with the breeding room, I think you get a 1 to 2.5, something like that. Short. Don't mind the new colors. I have a new account, Trades by Mile. It's gonna be a bit of educational-ish, because I want to use it for the Forex tool, but like the Mile of X is so messy, so I kind of want to do the same as I'm doing right now, but in a more influential, cleaner way. Same time, I don't want to be one of those content creators, but I think it gotta be. But I will use my own tools. I will use my own tools. Okay, so 3.2, 3.7. We're looking like shit. 41, 31. As I said, 2.5. Men don't lie, bro. 2.51. No, that's not it. So nothing there. Then I thought I saw a long trade as well, and that made quite sense to me. Let me show you real quick. So if we zoom out, we know that we are in a, let's already remove that one, take off those two, that one, let's take off that one as well. Let's go back to the idea that this is internal range liquidity. You can clearly see that trend line there. This is internal range liquidity. Then we took internal range liquidity, we realigned, or we came into discount pricing of the green range. Let me check something. Okay. Off the green range. What does happen after that? Sorry, I'm so tired. Even my English is broken now. We got a minor break here, but that's not really the essence of the story. The essence is that then we take liquidity there, and then we have a break. So we have a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, bullish break. So Asia high is actually a bullish break. Asia high is a bullish break. What do we have in our area? We got a 5-minute zone there. That's where you can trade the long from. The thing is though, this is quite intricate. This is on the 5-minute. On the 50-minute, it's quite intricate as well. So I wouldn't really recommend it. But if we go lower, there might be a only thing is that there's no confirmation here. If a high, low, lower high, a lower low, bullish break, inducement, inducing buyers, then respecting this last sell to buy candle, people try to buy here, they get taken out. Then we can see that price takes out internal range liquidity. Then gives us the move to the upside. Just hitting there from that 1-minute order block. And that's where the wicks play the tricks. The wick tap in, and the rest is done. Goes to the upside. Early buyers in this sense. Well, I played based on this, so it's still not really there. So I wouldn't say there's a trade for me again. Bit on the hesitating side because I'm tired, so might be missing things. But yeah, this trade is quite nice. This will be one of those trades where I'll be thinking like, okay, we didn't get the early buyers or the inducement, but liquidity taken, realignment here, inducement there. Oh, sorry, no liquidity taken to the upside. So where are we going next? At least target this high, but that's not a high that costs a new low. So then our next high and our next target is up here because this one didn't cause a new low. So this is our next target, and then I would never ever take that 1-minute block. I would go with this because I'm not that intricate anymore because it did me too much damage back in the days. I using such strange words. My proper English is just gone. I was too tired. I was starting to speak Dutch English. So 4.3, got 4.8. So this is your first target. That's already 1 to 4. So that's your partial area. Then with the explanation I just gave you, like this is not a high that caused new low, therefore it's not a valid high, it's just a weak high. You can target the liquidity high. That's a 1 to 8.7. So you take out 80% of this of your trade over here. You let the rest run. There you go. This is where I would close my trade. Actually, I wouldn't. I'm going too fast. Why not? We're waiting for that realignment. So closing 10% there or 80% there, close 10% there, close 10% there could be an option. Another option is close 4% over or close 80% for 1 to 4 and let your partial run. Why run? We have that realignment on the green structure. Now we have internal range liquidity. We have the purple structure realigning. We have the green structure realigning. So we were looking for these highs, previous weekly highs, realigning with structure, and that could be your target for the trade. 1 to 20, 22.4. If you're doing this, like if you try to trade it all the way with the entire volume on, you're an idiot. Because nobody does. Well, there are people, I know people that do that, but they have reasons for it. They make bare money of it. They know how it works, so I wouldn't do it. I'm not that good with it. Take my 1 to 4s consistently, and then let the rest run to my target, which then would be, of course, up here and up here. I will probably close it up here. 1 to 8. That's more than enough. So yeah, I'm not going over GU. I feel my head hurts, so I'm just cutting it short here. Oh, okay, let's look at GU. Let's look at shit. Let's not look at GU. I was looking at buys this morning here. You can quickly look at it. I was looking at buys. As I said in my pre-market analysis, previous weekly lows taken, previous daily lows taken, Asia lows taken. Can look for the highs to be taken now. No entry there, so nothing there. 1 hour wise. Let's skip this. And now we're back into premium pricing, but look at this liquidity, man. I don't know. If I will be trading tomorrow, I got a meeting at 12. I have my morning meeting as well. So for the Forex tool, we're working hard. Ugh, there was a fly. It's gonna be sick. It's taking a lot of time, but it's worth it. A lot of waiting. Trading fee is a bitch. I didn't say that, but yeah, it is. And yeah, because it's gonna be sick. We're gonna launch our trading bot soon. We were hoping that we would have already launched our indicator a month ago, but trading view is such, it's just hard to deal with. So it's taking way longer than expected. So we just decided to focus on the bot first and then do our indicator. It is what it is. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys later. Sorry to that. Sorry that it's such a messy daily recap. I'm so tired. All right. Peace out and catch you guys in tomorrow's pre-market analysis.